ValleyCan is a nonprofit that's working to find solutions to air quality in disadvantaged communities. One of the biggest sources of emissions that we can reduce is older, dirty cars. Our customers, once they find out that they can save money, that they can have more reliable transportation, that they can help clean up their neighborhood, they love it. They want to do more to adopt clean energy, clean transportation options. There's no reason that we should stop just at their smog. Let's help them with weatherization, with solar panels, with everything we can do to reduce emissions in their neighborhood, to get them on track to adopt more clean energy options.